Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Natural Chemistry Pool Perfect plus Phosfree. What is Natural Chemistry Pool Perfect plus Phosfree? From the manufacturer, Natural Chemistry has developed a regular maintenance program to continually remove phosphates as they enter the water. The program works in conjunction with the enzyme-based Pool Perfect, combining the benefits of both products into an easy maintenance program for swimming pool owners. While the Phosfree removes the phosphates, the natural enzymes gently biodegrade organic material in the pool water. Product benefits: add weekly to maintain near-zero phosphate levels, cleans waterline and filter while reducing surface oils and other non-living organics. SMARTZyme technology reduces the frequency of filter cleaning and scrubbing scum lines. The benefits of Pool Perfect and Phosfree combined: weekly dosage will improve water quality and reduce maintenance. Usage directions. Step 1. Shake well before using. Contents settle. Step 2. Each week, with filter running, simply add to your skimmer 1 capful per 8,000 gallons, 30,000 liters, of pool water. For example, 2 capfuls per week will treat a 16,000 gallon, 60,000 liters, pool. This bottle treats more than 135,000 gallons, 507,000 liters. Dosage: 4 fluid ounces per 8,000 gallons of water per week. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.